What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. It is November 21st, a Thursday. We are just approaching 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time. The big news that caught my attention today was Schwab looking to acquire TD Ameritrade, or possibly the two merging. I seen it right this morning at 5 o'clock, posted it all up in the Discord, sharing it. It's just crazy to think that Charles Schwab acquiring TD Ameritrade. I wanted to bring this little ad over to show you guys and play this little video. And two new updates. One, I just got a brand new webcam, so I'm still testing it out and working with the settings. And two, I'm also trying out chroma key so I could have a green screen background. It's a little bit blotchy. I mean, I don't have to have a big green screen behind me, but I'm still messing with it, getting the settings right. So bear with me on that. Hopefully everybody's having a great day today. I haven't done a live stream in a while, so I thought I'd jump on, try out these new features, and share the news with Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade. And leave comments. Tell me what you guys think. Are you excited about this merger possibly? Are you mad about it? Leave them in the comments. Let me know. But I'm going to play this little 1-minute video about the news with Schwab and TD Ameritrade.
Big brokerage buyout reportedly in the making. CNBC reports Charles Schwab is in talks to buy TD Ameritrade. A deal would enable the combined companies to control a majority of the discount brokerage market with total assets of $5 trillion. Fox Business pegged the value of the deal at $26 billion, which would imply an 18% premium to Ameritrade's market valuation. Neither company's responded to Reuters' requests for comment. A deal could be seen as a response to the price wars that have disrupted the industry. Startups like Robinhood are quickly grabbing market share by eliminating commissions on stock trades. That prompted Schwab to scrap commissions on online trading of stocks, ETFs, and options. TD Ameritrade and other rivals quickly followed suit. Also pressuring the discount brokers, low interest rates. That reduces the amount they earn off customer balances. News of a potential deal drove TD Ameritrade shares up 25% at the market open Thursday. Schwab shares rose nearly 12%.
So big gap ups this morning for both Schwab and TD Ameritrade. And then since that big gap up, all day so far has just been selling off. Let me get my live stream right back up here so I could see your guys' chats. But TD Ameritrade, big gap up today from 41.25, gets a gap up to a high of $53 pre-market. And since then, market opened up right here, gets a big sell down from 52 almost all the way down to $47. Now, recently, let me bring over the daily so we can talk about this. This is the daily on TD Ameritrade. This big gap down right here is when TD Ameritrade announced that they're going to zero commissions. And you got to think, everybody who was holding, buying long term, all up in this $50 area right here. And when we got this big gap down, all the way down to $32, that just created a bunch of bag holders. So those bag holders are going to wait, hold on to it for it to come all the way up to a good price where they can at least break even or, salvage what they lost. Give me 1 second. Having a little problem here with my other monitor. I think I got too many things going on with this chroma key, and I'm still trying all of this out. Let me try unplugging it real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, hopefully that did the... There we go. It's back up and running now. Just trying all this out, so I gotta get used to it. And see if problems still persist. But since that big gap up, it's been selling off because all these bag holders are like, finally I can break even with this stock or at least salvage a little profit out of it. So that's why it's been selling off all day. And here's the news, all right here. Schwab in talks to buy TD Ameritrade. So this deal could drop at any moment. We've been waiting all day to hear what happens. And then now let's take a look at Schwab real quick. With Schwab, this is when they announced commission-free trading. It went from 44 all the way down to 35. And then it ran all the way back up to 45. And then it's just this huge gap up with that merger news, and it's the same thing, just been selling off all day. And then here's the chart on it. Here's the 1 minute. But the question that I have with this is, if Schwab does acquire TD Ameritrade, will they still keep around the two trading platforms, Street Smart Edge and Thinkorswim? For me, Street Smart Edge by Charles Schwab, this is the platform that we're looking at right now. This is my all-time favorite platform, and I've tried every platform out there. And if this deal does go through, I hope that they don't throw away the Street Smart Edge and just stick to Thinkorswim. Or do they keep Street Smart Edge and get rid of Thinkorswim, which I kind of doubt, because there are a lot of people who use Thinkorswim. Or maybe they'll combine the two. This could be a really good thing, a best of both worlds. Thinkorswim is really good about customization, making think scripts, and Street Smart Edge is really good with the news, the charting, and just the setup of it, and the way I just love the way Street Smart Edge looks. But it looks like the quality went to crap on this live stream. So I'm going to have to mess around with the settings probably. This is just a little test to test out the settings here with this new webcam and chroma key, and to share the news about what's been going on. This is just all I've been watching this morning is just TD Ameritrade and Schwab. Nothing much really going on. We got WAFU having a big run up from $1.25 all the way up to $6. And then HEPA, HEPA, having a nice little run this morning, getting a gap up from 250 up to a high of 450 this morning, getting a little quick panic sell. Let's break this down real quick. This is a nice chart right here. I love charts like this. Stock has a big gap up. It's topping out at 430s. Soon as it opens, just slams all the way down to this 380s level, just holding all right here, going sideways right under the VWAP as well, and then just explodes up over the VWAP and $4, a mental area. From 4 explodes all the way up to 450. I love a chart like this and a great morning play like this. This is something I always like to look out for, but I wasn't here the first hour and a half of the day, so I missed this. And then HEXO, nice little run today, just non-stop from $2 all the way up to $2.70, and now currently getting a pullback and bouncing with higher lows off of the VWAP. And then ACB, this is a cannabis stock, looks to be popping up, going from 270 up to 324. But I'm not really a fan of pot stocks. They're really hard to trade. They're very, very choppy, very hard to trade. And even if you look at the marijuana ETF, MJ, let's look at the daily real quick. This is the daily on the marijuana index. It's just, look at this. Topped out at 46 and all the way down to a range of 23. But then as recently of March of 2019, from $39, it's just a straight downfall all the way down to $16. Look at that. So bear market for marijuana stocks. But a nice little rebound right here from 16 up to 19. And this is why you got to follow these ETFs, because these ETFs, like the marijuana ETF here, you're going to have all these marijuana stocks in the marijuana sector popping off. Stocks, what are stocks? Pot stocks. CANF, ACB. There was another one that was popular not too long ago. I can't even think right now. But I'm messing my stuff up. But nice little run up today on MJ from 1740 up to a high of almost 19. But that's going to about wrap it up for today, guys. I just wanted to make a little quick video, talk about the merger with Schwab and TD Ameritrade, give you guys an update on the new webcam and trying out chroma key. It's not too bad. I mean, I can wave my hand and it's a little blotchy, I would say. It just needs a little messing with, I would say, but it still beats having a big green screen behind me and just taking up room. But I hope you guys are all having a great day. It's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully you guys had a great week. The overall market, I'll leave out with this, has been red so far. Let's see, I'm trying to bring it up. Overall market has been red. Here we go. We got the Qs are red, the SPY's red, the TVIX hanging around 750. But the SPY has been up and above 300. That's the area we've been struggling to get above a month ago. And now that we're finally above it, we've been breaking out to all-time new highs. The market, it seemed like it was running for 2 weeks straight. Now it's starting to calm down and pull back a little bit. So it's like a marathon. They just can't keep running and running and running and running and running. They got to take a break. But that's going to wrap it up for this, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day. And hopefully you kill it the rest of the week. Should I make more live streams? Leave comments down below. I care about what you guys have to say, your opinions. And until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study as always, ladies and gentlemen. Grow every day. Later.